I thank God for giving me one more opportunity to meet you all, my lovely angels. How are you all? Hope you all are healthy and happy. And all those who have come for the first time to our channel, I welcome you all. Let me inform you all that we have started a series of crafts out of paper tubes. I'm sharing the link in the I button as well as in the description box. And this will be our fifth craft. So let's get started. So we have to draw a house on a cardboard and then stick it on another cardboard and then paint it black. Then let's cut this and paint it black as well. Continue the same. Now let's take a blue craft sheet, fold it into half and cut and roll like this. We require 12 to 16 paper tubes. Now let's start fixing the paper tubes one by one like this. Let's cut the edges like this and the extra tube. And now let's take a yellow craft sheet and keep folding and cutting them until we reach to our required size. And then let's roll them into paper tubes. We require 30 to 40 paper tubes of each color. Now let's cut all the red paper tubes into 1/2 inch like this. Let's start fixing the red paper tubes like this. Let's continue the same. These are some cute Twinkle jewel seeds. Let's stick them like this. Or we can stick any jewel stones or beads, whatever is easily available at your place. Cut the extra. Now let's start placing the pink and yellow paper tubes one by one like this. Let's continue the same. Same way we have to place pink and yellow paper tubes on the top like this. On the top we can write, for example, Home Sweet Home or God bless this house, anything like that. Now here I am using a Bible scripture from Joshua 24:15. It says, as for me and my household, we will serve the Lord. Now let's cover the border with masking tape like this. And now let's paint it black. Let's take a A4 size red craft sheet, fold and cut according to the required size. And then roll it like this. We require two different sizes of paper tubes. Long paper tube is 2 inch and the short paper tube is 1 inch. Now let's cut them like this. So now let's make the hooks. Let's stick white pearl on the top like this. We require 4 hooks like this. Now let's start fixing the hooks one by one like this. So finally our beautiful key holder for wall is ready. Do let me know in the comment box below how was this video. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was useful. I pray and wish that you all stay healthy and happy. See you all in my next video. Till then, take care.